Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this creepy voodoo eyes and Trust and Press Halloween update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Halloween update has been dropped in Trust and Press and the admin has added a lot of items, and this is a big update guys. And in this update, you'll be able to apply this creepy voodoo eyes, and I'm going to show you how we can get it. So guys, you need to go to this Halloween update area, and then you can go to this table and just tap on this voodoo eyes, and then you can change the color. For example, I'm going to make it black and also red like this. And you can also change the toggle. Just go to the toggle and here you can add eyelashes. Okay, and I prefer the default, so I'm just gonna change it to default. And you can use this voodoo eyes or this button eyes to create creepy look for Halloween theme, or maybe for the doll theme, creepy doll theme. And okay guys, that's all the way to get the voodoo eyes in Trust and Press Halloween update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.